Every 6 months or so, MINDERA shares an insights pack and insights talk around what we're seeing happening in the retail industry. So this is our Winter 25 update, and there's quite a lot of different themes around how technology is influencing retailers and e-commerce businesses. As you would imagine, one of the key themes is around AI and businesses' adoption of AI. So within this deck, we talk a little bit about macroeconomic trends, we talk about some of the other technology trends that we see, like self-service, loyalty. One of the big themes is how businesses are using AI throughout every department in a business, whether that's a retailer, e-commerce business, or a business that's doing a bit of both, and how they're using AI to influence customer experience, save costs, improve efficiency, and how that relates to the tough macroeconomic climate that businesses have faced over the previous couple of years, really. So we're going to go through what we're seeing and what's working well, and in particular some of the watch outs, so ways we see businesses try something and it doesn't work, particularly with AI, and other ways where we see actually get a lot of success from implementing AI into a certain part of the business. So this talk is going to share some of those insights.